Hey guys, I got a pretty good treat for you guys here, and this is a professionally done app by Google, and it's called Google Analytics. For you webmasters out there, this is for you. So basically, Google Analytics, most of you are most likely familiar with it. It's to track your website visitors, how many times they visit, who visits, how long they're on, how many visits or hits you get per day, where they're coming from, their country they're coming from, type of browser using, operating system, and just so on and so on, and the keywords that they use to find your site, or just the origin of where they came from. So it's a really great app, and you have to have Google Analytics already installed for your site. And how you do that is you just go on the computer and you type in, you register for Google Analytics, and they'll give you a little HTML code, and you just put that onto your site, and then they'll start tracking all your visitors, views, and everything. So I'll jump right into this and say that this is a really well done app by Google, really professionally well done, and just the user interface on this is just magnificent. As you can see, it's just so easy to use. You got the little scroll column bar right here on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side you have your nice viewing display here, just like on FTP to go on the go. And it's just a really nice setup they used for it. And as you can see here, it's a classic dashboard for Google Analytics. You can see your visitor overview, and the site I'm using for this demonstration is modernwarfareonline.com, and it's basically, you go on the site and it gives you tons of information on Modern Warfare 3, Modern Warfare, or not Modern Warfare, Black Ops, and so on. So, and it's just a great site, and this is the Google Analytics for that site. But so you can see here visitor overviews, the visits, unique visitors, and you can tap on the chart and it'll pull it up bigger. As you can see here, had a major low blow these past few days. So, and this is the classic dashboard of Google Analytics. You're most likely familiar with it if you're using Analytics. And on the left hand side you have tons and tons of options for navigating through the app. So you can see here, since this is just the classic dashboard here, you can't get all the info that it gives you. Like, say I want the country they came from, you click on the country tab and it'll show you I've had 399 people from US, and just so on. It gives you a nice little pie chart here. You can see it'll give you a little key right there, and it'll show you this color equals that, and that's what it says. So it's pretty nice and handy, and it's really easy to use. Length of visit, depth of visit, how many pages they went to. You can see here, this is really nice. I like checking this out. Like, it's kind of like your bounce back rating. It shows you how many visitors have just visited one page, 2 pages, all the way up to whatever your highest amount of pages visited was. So it's pretty cool to check out. And I'll just show you all the visitor reports, and I'll name them off for you. So we'll start off with, on the left hand side we have dashboard. You can look at today's overview report or yesterday's overview report, but you can also go back in time, and there's a nice little thing on here. You can go, there's a little calendar button up here. You can click that and set your date range, which is pretty cool. So we have dashboard today, yesterday for overview reports. You got visitor reports, visitor recency, length of visit, depth of visit, visitor type, languages, continent of where they came from, country where they came from, region where they came from, city where they came from, browsers, browsing version, operating systems, OS version, Flash version, Java enabled. Screen color, screen resolution, host name, network domain, network location, connection speed, and that's all for visitor reports. So now onto traffic reports. Keywords, keyword from sources, referring type, referring source, referring URL, ad campaign, ad slot position, ad content, and that's all for traffic reports. Content reports, top content, content by title, top landing pages, top exit pages, second page visited, e-commerce, they'll give you all your e-commerce reports as well if you have that set up on your site. Site search reports, they'll give you your search terms, start pages, destination pages, categories, keyword refinement, search visits, event tracking reports, categories, actions, and labels, goal reports, your goal starts, goal completions, and goal values that you can set your goals. And yeah, that's basically all to the site. They included everything that the computer analytics onto the beautiful iPad 2 here. And that's a tutorial on how to use Google Analytics on the iPad 2, brought to you by onlinewebmarket.net. So, thanks for watching.